Hi everyone, HerGivenHair is sponsoring a short wig and I'm so excited because it reminds me of an old favorite. I love how they keep things simple inside the box with the information that you need as a customer. Here is the hair. Of course, there is a storage bag and this is the Feelin Mighty wig with the best ombre I've seen in a long time. This wig is the perfect twin for the Fro of Glory unit. So for those of you who like black hair, definitely check out my old video. I'll link it above and down below so you can know more about this type of look that I'm going to show you with a different colored wig, and I'll have more information about this unit and discounts and all of that in the description. So let's get some wash day therapy while I give you all the details. The wig is 14 inches long with a 3C4A coily texture at 150% density. It's a pre-parted lace front wig on a medium cap size and has a gorgeous bronze brown, slightly cuprous ombre. You can see the dimension, it's amazing. And they really took their time with it, which I appreciate. In the back, there is lace and it needs to go. There's also a comb and adjustable straps. I let the wig dry so you could see how different it looks when you define the curls versus when you just leave them alone. And now it's so poofy. I can barely keep it on the mannequin. There are side combs and 13 by 1 inch lace. It has a right part, but the horseshoe goes deep so you can part any way you want. See how it looks? It's just ready to pop right off. Flip it over and this is what the definition looks like. It's like night and day right now. And we need to quickly get this wig defined. But first, look at the hairline. Very nicely done, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace. Here's the naked hair. It looks good, but it could look better. So I'm sectioning it off and working in medium sections. First, I need to drench this hair and I need to brush to detangle. Now, the star of the show is Entwine's Amp and Go Curl Amplifying Glaze. It's an Okra gel and it works wonders. A small amount is all I need and I'll apply it all over the section, making sure I work it in, and then follow up with my Maven paddle brush. A Denman brush is really good too, and you'll see that in the other tutorial. But the curls are looking good and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my hair. Bear in mind that this gel needs to fully dry because it can feel a bit sticky if you haven't given it an opportunity to do so, and you could end up messing up a good thing. So please let it dry fully before wearing the wig. And it's pretty obvious that the curls and the color look good, but I still have some work to do. So I'm going to go ahead and decide on my part before securing the wig. It is a bit tricky figuring out what suits you when it comes to an Afro wig, but I think a side part is the way to go. I'm using my Got to Be Glued gel to slick down the hairline, make it easier for the wig to stay down. I'm going to apply the freeze spray on the perimeter where I will be placing the lace. And this is optional, but I'll make it a little bit tacky with the blow dryer so that I don't have a sticky situation. Now I'll put my lace down and hold it for a minute or so to allow it to settle down before zapping it with my blow dryer. I want it to fit comfortably, so I'm taking my time patting and smoothing. I'm gonna use my makeup brush to pat down little flaps and the lace at the hairline, keep it all down. My blow dryer is going to help me define my part and shape my hair. Instead of forcing it with a comb, I can just blow it in place and break down the gel cast at the same time. These curls look amazing, and I think this is the best dye job HerGivenHair has ever done. Judge me if you want, but I'm going to attempt to cut some baby hairs into the wig. I feel like I still don't know what I'm doing, but my makeup looks good, so that should make up for most of my mistakes. Okay, I'm practically done here. I just need to fluff the wig and make cute faces at the camera and do some finishing touches, but this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please let me know what you think of this wig. Please check out the other wig if you like black hair. And thank you so much, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring this video. All the details will be down below, and I will see you in the comments.